Hey guys, so I received a package today and the item inside is my Insta360. Not that I bought a new one, but I had it repaired. But technically not because fun fact, Insta360 they don't do repairs. They do new replacement of the whole item. Like the Insta360 itself. So I messaged the Insta360 people support that I have been having a problem accessing all my recorded videos. So every time I recorded something and it says it's finally saved, but when I go access it, it says not available and you cannot play video nor edit anything filmed with 360 feature. So they refer me to Tekmag, which my experience with them was amazing. 3 out of 3. So I messaged them advising this and that, and they told me that you know what? Insta360 does not do repairs anymore. They will replace the whole unit free of cost since it is within the warranty. I just bought this last year. And so let's unbox it. See how it goes. And when I say the experience with Tekmag is 3 out of 3, 100%. When you message them, they will respond to you. They are so trustworthy. My experience was like unbelievable. So this is my Mr. 360. It comes with a secure box here with foam and everything. So they said the process was like 2 to 3 business days. I got a response from them that my unit was sent for replacement request to, I don't know, somewhere in Manila, I guess. They had to send it to them for replacement. I was worried at first because they didn't tell me if it was approved for replacement without any cost or it will incur some charges, because the warranty claims will be depending on the outcome of the testing of the unit. So my thoughts are either it will be replaced with additional payment or it will just be returned to me advising that there's no problem and that you gotta try this and that. So at first I was worried, but luckily I trusted them and here we are, a brand new. I hope so because it's still secured and sealed. Let's see it for myself. Oh my god, they are not lying when they said it will be replaced brand new. I got new lens cover, brand new lens cover, and a brand new Insta360. Look at that. It still has sealed on. Came with a new box as well because I sent them my old box. This is the old box, the old packaging that I have. And for your information, if you're going to file for a claim, you have to send the whole unit, but not including the batteries and the memory chip. So I had it removed. And it's brand new. Let's give it a try. I did put my batteries in here. And I removed my old lenses. I didn't know it will be replaced, so, but good thing they didn't ask for it. And this is the battery, the old battery I have, which I'm planning to like buy another one for backup. But this one works pretty well. No fucking way. It's brand new, guys. Okay, says I have to download the Insta360, the same process of setup I used to do. But I'll do that later because the time is almost over. I mean, the recording. They are amazing. The service is 10 out of 10. Oh my god. I gotta leave them 5-star rating. 10 even if I could only give them 10. But oh my god. I feel so kilig. Let me add the memory chip. This is the old memory chip, so I should be able to access my old recordings. Oopsie. They are the best. But the only sad thing is I had my Insta360. I bought like a screen protector that cost 1,000, but they didn't give me a replacement. This is a brand new one without screen protector, so I think I'll have this tried on and maybe let the warranty end first before I put any security choo-choo or anything, because that won't be replaced anymore. But all in all, let the recording begin. I'm so excited. I'm sorry, I had cough and cold, so that's the reason why my voice is like this. Not as pleasant as you are expecting, but whatever. I'm living a review. Laters. I have 2 screen protector on. New box. And then this is the new box. It's a 360 times 4. Bye.